This year at Catholic Central High School Campus West, a new approach to teaching science through inquiry-based learning has students taking greater control of their education. On display in the main gathering space of Catholic Central Campus West, a diverse array of science projects from students in biology, chemistry, and physics 20.
So my project is waking up to the reality of the sleepy teen.
Our project is looking into the depopulation of honeybees in Canada and the US.
Well, our project is all about the effects of marijuana on the human brain and body.
These projects are examples of inquiry-based learning where students working in small groups choose a topic, research it, gain knowledge and new understandings, and then present their findings to peers.
We found that it reduces the ability to form memories and it reduces motivation.
I've learned a lot about sleep, and I realized that I have a really bad sleeping pattern, and so do a lot of teenagers.
The projects are part of a new science and inquiry focus at CCH Campus West. Students learning inquiry, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills while working in a collaborative environment.
I'm Tomas. This is Caitlin Barron. This is Thomas Black, and we worked with Bailey Say and Kyle Henderson on producing a living roof. So what we did is we built a type of roadmap of how to build a living roof or rooftop garden on our own CCH Campus West roof right above the e-learning center.
We see this as almost a safe way to model for them what they're going to be doing in their own jobs when they get out into science-related industry or any type of industry, whereas we all know it's about taking your knowledge, applying it to real-world problems, and working together.
Chemistry teacher Brent Christensen says an inquiry-based education promotes independent learning and helps prepare students for a post-secondary education.
Traditionally, we would just tell kids, this is what you need to know to do well on a test, to move on to university. And I think we did kids a disservice. We did a really good job of preparing them for those exams, but I think we felt like we could do that and more. We could give them an experience at the high school level that will prepare them for life in university.
So this is Pig Heart, and I got them from the Mad Butcher on the north side of Lethbridge.
Another aspect of science and inquiry is to provide students with opportunities to learn outside the school. A recent class trip to the science department at the University of Lethbridge gave students a chance to discover new concepts, gain insight, and ask questions to real-life scientists.
The university was really accommodating for us, and they basically set up 4 different labs for our students to rotate through. So the physics department set up a physics lab for the kids. The chemistry department had a chem lab. We had a biology lab and a biochemistry lab set up. So different parts of the university, they had these labs set up. They had professors and grad students ready to help the kids out. And we just kind of moved our kids through, and they got to experience a lot of different things.
Research suggests that inquiry-based learning helps students become more creative and more independent. For many of these students, it's also a fun and effective way to learn.
Well, one of the benefits of this is that it allows us not just to learn, but to learn how to learn. So we're learning how to find the right information and what information is reliable and what is not.